Welcome. In this video I want to talk about installing iPerf3 on an iOS device. iPerf3 is a network performance testing tool, and I have a couple other videos. I have a video on installing it on a Mac, on Windows, and on a Synology NAS. So this video is about iOS, so this pertains to iPads and iPhones and things like that. So if you go to the iPerf website, which is iPerf.fr, and you go to the download page and you get to the Apple iOS section, you'll see it says HENet Network Tools. So if we hit that link, it'll take us to the store, and we'll open that up, and you'll see it's he.net, which is Hurricane Electric, which is an ISP network tools. So they have these network tools that are free. So I've downloaded it already. You can hit download if you haven't, and then you can open it, and you'll get this interface here. So I'll choose iPerf on the left side. And now I've already installed iPerf on, I have it on my Synology NAS, but if you don't have a server, you could install it on a desktop. It's best, like if you're trying to measure your wireless speed inside of your network, it's best to have the iPerf server running on a computer plugged into the network. If you had like a laptop, you might plug it into your switch and set up the iPerf server on there, and then you would come to your iPad and you'd open this app. And I'll choose iPerf3 up top, and then I'll type, for bytes, I'll type in 300M, and the server, I'll type in my iPerf server, and then I'll hit go. And now it'll do the network test. So you can see here it's say 270 to almost 300 megabits per second. And then I'll pause here and I'm going to switch the network. I'm on a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I'll change to 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, I've switched over to the 2.4 gigahertz and I'll hit go. Well, so you can see here that's quite a bit slower than the 5 gigahertz network. As a test you can do with the iPerf3 on an iOS device is you can test your different network speeds. That's the basics of using iPerf3 on an iOS device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.